Ooh. I'm definitely going in my garden to enjoy this right now. How are you doing, lovely people? It's Georgie here from Just Shake or Stir, and I'm back with another video. Today we're doing something simple based on gin. Now the weather in some part of the world is picking up, and obviously we're gonna go back to the summer drinks and more refreshing stuff. So today I pick a cocktail which, funny, but it's called Patio Cocktail. So if you have a garden and a patio, that probably is the perfect drink for you to just sip it out and just I'm just chilling in my garden. And considering most of us it's locked down, so make the most of it. Garden, terrace, patio, whatever you can, even on the window. Just have a little enjoyment of the situation. I know it's tough and I know it's hard. I've been locked down for 12 days now, and it's absolutely mental. Bear in mind I have kids and everything going on, and I know most of you have kids at home, and it's really hard to keep everything nice and running smooth. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, and we have to do the best of it. Okay, so today the cocktail, the Patio Cocktail, is fantastic, very easy to make, and of course all of the ingredients, it's how to put it, let's put it, essential. Yes, they are. All of them, you can find them anywhere online or local store if you're allowed to go and shop. So there we go, Patio Cocktail. We're using gin, we're using Cointreau, we're using Dry Vermouth, and we're using Sweet Vermouth. That's all it is. It's a very nice aperitif cocktail before dinner, or just to sip one when you chill, or you make a happy hour at home. Make some kind of a aperitif night, you know what I mean? All of you just dress nicely and pretend you're in a bar and just make few of this and enjoy. Why not? Seriously, just go with it. So let's start making it, okay? The cocktail, it's could be shaken, could be stirred, so I'm gonna stir it today because let's say you may not having a shaker at home. That's absolutely not a problem, okay? Right, what we're gonna have, you can use any gin, alright? I'm using the Cointreau gin, which is Scottish gin, very nice, very good flavor. It's not a flavored gin, okay? It's a dry London gin, but it's very good botanicals and have a really nice flavor notes. However, you can use any gin, alright? You don't need to follow exactly. What you need to do is get a gin, get a dry and sweet vermouth, and get a Cointreau or triple sec. So we have 40 ml of the gin. We'll pop it in the mixing glass or a mixing tin, whatever you use. Then that's the good part here. The cocktail, I can't even speak today. It's very nice and sunny outside, and I actually want to go out, you know. So I'm a lucky, let's put it this way, I have a garden, and I think I'm gonna go and enjoy this outside after. However, let's keep going. Dry vermouth. Now this is the part. The original recipe of the cocktail will require a tablespoon of dry vermouth or tablespoon of sweet vermouth. Tablespoon, it's usually around 15 ml. So we're gonna use our measure. We have 15 ml of dry vermouth. I am using the Ferdinand's dry vermouth. You can use martini dry, whatever you have in your cupboard or in your shop available. Then sweet vermouth, again, use martini, use Cinzano, use Lillet. I'm using Reserva Speciale Ambrato by Martini. It's very wonderful if you can find it. Really, really good vermouth. And mine, it looks like I'm on the end. So what this means? Shopping. We'll see how it's gonna go. And finally, Cointreau, or you can use triple sec or any orange liqueur. Maybe you have Grand Marnier, whatever you decide. This one only few drops, or let's say a dash. The reason it's only to put, there you go, that's it. It's only a little touch of the orange flavor, because you have already the botanicals and the juniper kick from the gin. Then you have the dry and sweet vermouths, which balance really nicely, and finally a little citrus. Then you need some ice, pop the ice, and let's stir. Now, how's everybody doing, by the way? Are you on self-isolate? You're home? What are you doing? What's the plans? I mean, we all kind of don't want to talk about it, but I think we should, because it's happening to everyone and it's part of our daily lives now. And I think we should talk about it, not in the bad way, because there's enough bad news on the actual news. But yeah, let me know what you're doing. How you spending your days or nights, or what's the plans? Leave a comment. Come on, let's get this party going. So here we go. We're gonna stir it. Don't need much stirring. Grab a glass. If you have martini glass, perfect. If you don't bother. It's absolutely fine. You can enjoy cocktail in any type of glass. And there we go. The Patio Cocktail. How wonderful is that? And I'm spilling everywhere. I don't know what's happening. But yes, I need a tissue. Let's clean it nicely. Yeah. And then you have it, guys. The Patio Cocktail, you can garnish it with a zest of lemon if you want, or zest of orange. Doesn't require any garnish. It's just a basic, lovely, nice little aperitif to enjoy. Let me try. Oh yes. I have the kick from the gin, wonderful, the junipers kicking off like a little spice, and then the sweet and dry vermouth playing really nicely, because it's kind of you having a dryness on the far back, but then in the beginning it's just like a nice little sip of sweetness, and overall in your mouth it's like explosion of citrus. Even when we put just a dash of the Cointreau, you can feel the orange fantastically inside. That's it. If you planning to do a garden party, if you have a garden or a balcony, or like I say, you can just pop on the window and just enjoy the view, whatever it is. Have one or two of these fantastic patio cocktails and enjoy the weather. Make the most of it, stay safe. Like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you for the next video very soon, because I'm gonna kick off now trying to do a video every day. I'm home, I'm locked down like many of you, so why not? Let's try to do every single day. We'll see how it's gonna go, but I will try. I'll make my best. Cheers, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.